Hey, what's up? It's Matt for 360 Investigations, and this is not an Explore. I just found a really cool spot to take a good 360 view. So I'm going to hold the camera up for about a minute, and I just want you to take in how beautiful and awesome the scenery looks. Well, I thought you guys would appreciate that, and again, that was an awesome 360 view. I couldn't help but to share it with you. So I just want to wish you guys well. Lisa and I are both telling everybody to stay safe, wear a mask, social distance, and be well during the pandemic. Take care, and wish you well.